Welcome to Math with Mrs. Bibb. Here's my second example of a problem that you could encounter on the SAT. Also, just a problem about trig ratios. This one looks like it could be very complicated, but I promise you it is not. The first thing that I want to do is note that this is written as a decimal. 0.96 is a decimal, and that's the way most of us read these decimals, is 0.96. I want to write that as a fraction, and many students are like, Miss Bibb, I don't know how to do that. How do I write that as a fraction? Well, I always say to the students, read it properly. 0.96, if you read that properly, that's 96 hundredths. 96 hundredths. Reduce that fraction. They're both divisible by 2, probably by more. What's that, 48 over 50? Yep, I could have divided by 4, but that's okay. Keep going. Divide by 2, so 24 over 25. So I know that the sine of angle X is 24 over 25. Going up here to my triangle that's already drawn for me. Sine, so katoa, so katoa, the sine is the opposite side, the measure of the opposite side over the hypotenuse. So if I go to angle X, the opposite side, the measure is 24, and the hypotenuse, the side across from the right angle, is 25. Now, do I or do I not need to do the Pythagorean theorem to find this side? Well, let's see. It's asking me for the cosine of y. Okay, the cosine of y. Cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. So, adjacent is 24, and the hypotenuse is 25. It does not always happen that these are the same answer as what's given, but in this case it is true. The cosine of y adjacent over hypotenuse is the same thing as the sine of x here. So my answer is 24 over 25, and this work and this work and this supports my answer of 24/25. I hope that helps. I hope you have a wonderful day.